guys, it's your girl Avelovinit and welcome to another travel vlog. Hey! Here in Tibiao, Antique. It is my second time here. And if you guys remember, I made a video about Kawa Bath, or I cooked myself when I was in Antique 2 years ago. But this time, I'm not alone. I'm with Dre. He's over there. And Martin is somewhere over there. I don't know if you guys can see him. Can you guys see him? He's the only person there. Like I said, I'm back here in Antique, and to get here to Tibiao is either you fly from Manila to Caticlan Airport, and then from Caticlan Airport you take a bus to Antique for about 2.5 hours. Just ask around where's the Kawa Bath and they will directly tell you where you should go down, and then from there ride a motorbike to the Kawa Bath area. So we're pretty lucky because there's not much people right now, and it's Martin's first time to try the Kawa Bath. They're currently preparing our Kawa Bath for 15 minutes. We will experience it na. Ayan. Hey Martin! Are you enjoying it? You're like a kid, ha? Oi! Did you have fun?
I'm like a kid again. People have been speaking about Philippines in the future. It's always been like the main Palawan, Cebu, Siargao.
Where is he?
I don't know. He's being a waterman, Aquaman.
Okay, that is Dre, our videographer, our shooter, our entertainment guy. Also, our translator sometimes.
Super surprised about the island of Panay. Really, really great island. This is a must-do island if you're considering traveling to the Philippines.
Hey, your eyes are blue.
My eyes are blue and my hair is getting longer. Look.
Yes. What do you guys think about Martin's long hair? Comment below.
I'm thinking about saving it to about here.
He's an island boy.
Like, it's long, but it's still not long to have in one big bun.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Wow, guapo. You're my Leonardo DiCaprio. Wow. Johnny Depp. It's 1 month already, I think. Almost since you asked me. No, you didn't ask me. I forgot. You never asked. Martin.
I'm cooking you, I'm gonna burn you till your body becomes tender. And I'm gonna burn you. Look at this. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Norwegian dinner.
Hey, what's up, man? Are you ready? I'm gonna cook you. Martin's cooking show. Come on now. Bye-bye. Flame.
Welcome to Cooking with Avelovinit. Today, I will be cooking my specialty, Norwegian ginataan. So, crab leaves. Ano ba yan? Nahubaan ako. Sorry guys, rated PG. One of the main ingredients are dahon, pomelo leaves, to make him soft and very tender before I eat him. Joke. Now it's very, very hot. Once it's a little bit tender, you have to press it. Okay, it's getting tender. Okay, first you have to taste it. It's bitter. Stir it very, very well to make it very tender, and then you pour the milk. Have the milk. Be generous with the milk. Ayan. And then you stir it very well. And you use the lips. You rub the lips like Eva and Adan. Now, before it's only Ave, now there's Adan. Then you add more lips. And of course, for the special, very, very special ingredient, the Filipina.
This will be a good soup.
Yeah, a very good soup.
A good mix of ingredients.
Make the Filipina tender, you know, like rabbit.
Make the Filipina tender.
Now let me taste.
Ooh.
It's a bit salty now. Ginataan na marbe. Add some more.
Make the Filipina tender.
Add the pandan to the Norwegian. Patient.
Maybe it's time for the Filipino. Very good, ha? One more. She needs to be tender. Stirring my favorite Filipina dish. Real Filipina meat. Oh.
How is it? How's the taste?
Very good taste. It smells like, it's like, you know, when a chicken has been working out its entire life as a good chicken, eating healthy, it's the same thing. Like it's a good piece of Filipina. I baptize you, Solhaugin. Patrice Amarilla Solhaugin. Very good.
Oh! It's hot. That's how you cook marbe. Hey!
So after the bath, we're just gonna chill by the river here. But first, I'm gonna show you guys a drone shot.
That was fun, but make sure to drink lots of water, stay hydrated before you do the Kawa bath because I got super dizzy. Not only me, Martin also got dizzy because it's hot. So if you guys are wondering where you can try out the Kawa bath, it's in Tibiao. There's a lot of resorts that caters Kawa bath, but we're here in Campoli. Campoli. Like that. You can also stay overnight for 300 pesos per person. Yeah. Now, what we did was the milk Kawa bath, where we had to pay 120 pesos extra. So we're back here in Casa Raya. This is actually where we're staying. There's a party going on. We're gonna crash the party. And it's actually Martin's first time to experience this kind of birthday party. Filipino birthday party, Martin. Oh wow, there's a lechon. Happy birthday! Sino po yung may birthday? Ah, siya po. Ah, sige po. Wow. Sige po. Sige lang po. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna eat the... Oh, ang crispy. Ang sarap. Happy birthday po! Happy birthday! Thank you po for having us. Filipino parties, everyone is welcome to join. Martin's first Filipino birthday party.
Yum, 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 yum.
Like the best. Oh, you have a crispy like that. Hey guys, today is actually our 5th day here in Antique. I didn't get to vlog yesterday because I needed to catch up on some editing. Why do I look so wide? This is our room. I know it's a mess, but we have our own private room. We're staying here at Casa Raya Inn in Tibiao, and it is conveniently located near the Kawa Bath. So if you guys are wondering about the rates, I'm gonna put the Casa Raya Inn's link below. So Martin's right here working on some photos for the Instagram. In the Philippines, the Wi-Fi or the internet connection is always not as fast as in the cities. Trying to upload a travel vlog on my Facebook page. Oh yes, I do have a Facebook page. I'm starting to post my travel vlogs there now. I'm also gonna put my Facebook page link below, so please follow it, give it a thumbs up, and watch my travel vlogs if you want. Avelovinit Patrice Averilia is currently at 11,000 followers. Let me reach 15,000 soon, will you? So I basically upload a lot of things there, like photos, videos. I've been posting more on Facebook than Instagram. So yeah, that is the update, and we'll catch you guys later.